Hi everyone and dear parents. This video explains the best parenting tips for raising confident and happy children, which will be useful for all the parents. Parenting is a very important activity which requires calmness, endurance, knowledge and tolerance. It is the process of bringing up a child by promoting the intellectual, physical, social and emotional development from infancy to adulthood. Children are constantly listening and learning from the parents, and they always watch their interactions. Consistent, caring and supportive relationship should always be maintained between the child and the parents. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Now I will explain the parenting tips one by one. First tip: guide your child's behavior in a positive way. Positive behavior includes the actions that create a positive working environment, enabling others to work more effectively. Parents should always display confident and positive behavior towards children. Strong belief of positive attitude should be instilled in the child's mind through the words and actions of the parents from very young age. Help children to set realistic goals in life. If a child believes that I can achieve a goal, the probability of attaining the goal increases. Always promote talents of children. Every child is unique and will have some skills which can be strengthened. Hence, all talents of children should be promoted through positive reinforcement. Give consistent encouragements for achievements. Consistent encouragement has significant role in improving self-confidence of children. Praise the kids for their achievements because genuine praise will improve the self-esteem tremendously. Build resilience. Resilience is the ability to be happy and successful again after something difficult has happened in life. Help the kids to build resilience so that the child can happily face the challenges in life. Child should also be taught how to be grateful for every blessing in life. Be well organized in life. Always be well organized in life and establish routines for yourself and your children. Join in your child's play activities. Parents should join in play activities of children and let the child lead the play. Have good communication with children daily. Parents should have good communication skills. They should be enthusiastic listeners and should improve the communication skills of children. Always be calm. Parents should always remain calm in front of children and should nurture the child's true potential. Never take your daily frustrations out on your child. Through proper role modeling, children can be taught how to remain calm on facing stressful situations. Using the best parenting tips, we can raise confident and happy children who are ambitious, brilliant, compassionate, empathetic, enthusiastic, honest, responsible, and well-behaved individuals. Best wishes to all parents and children. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe this channel for future updates.